The best way to deal with energy vampires on social media is to determine what kind of vampire it is. So if it's someone who is just criticizing you over and over and there's no civil discourse, you ban them. It's so easy and it's satisfying. Ban user. I used to feel bad about that. I don't anymore. Now, it might be someone who has borderline personality disorder and they're there all the time and they're congratulating you and they're love bombing you and all of that. If they're there too much and they are giving you too many compliments, just make sure that it's a word to the wise, because those people can actually get into your life. There's a fascinating movie out called Ingrid Goes West. It's about an Instagram stalker. They exist. It's generally someone with borderline personality disorder. So just be aware.